Looks a little bit brighter in the, well, it's kind of not really daylight. It's sprinkling out, but it does look brighter during the day from here, this angle. Well, update. Morning, by the way. Update. After 4 hours, it's 10 a.m. Don't mind me, I'm just going to start the 550 because I left, the battery was dead again. Okay, she started without a problem. I'll let it run for a few minutes. Update on this. By the sounds of it, there will be a live stream tomorrow during the day. It should be going out. Right now it sounds like I'll be working tomorrow. This goes back to work tomorrow. So I'll be live streaming because in the stream last night, everybody, I had a poll up. Everybody voted for live stream the first day. So I think that's what's gonna happen. So right now, I'm just waiting on the, I got all the paperwork taken care of. Luckily, fortunately for me, where I own and drive the truck, anybody that's a independent contractor, basically, where you're the only employee, I'm going to be the only employee here, I have to get a waiver from workers' comp. So I called up workers' comp. My waiver that on file from when I started with the Freightliner is still good, so I don't need to refile. Called my insurance company. I got certificates of insurance for Crookers. I got another one for another company down in Gorham. So it could be tomorrow. I'm still gonna keep recording throughout the day stuff I'm doing. Now, as far as the air ride valve, the linkage, I gotta go get the linkage for that. I can see if I can't find that go down to the hardware store. The other thing I gotta do today, I gotta go down and get a checking account set up for the business side. Because the checking account that I had is no longer active. I closed that years ago. So I gotta go find a different bank and or go down to my bank, excuse me, my credit union, and start another checking account. Get that all set up. She started without a problem. The scanner's not plugged in, that's a good thing. Hold on a minute here, I gotta sneeze. Oh, and it was also mentioned to me that I got the parts I need to fix that. Possibly I have all the parts I need to fix the air ride on the cab right here, which is these end pieces here and here. Pretty sure I might be able to unscrew it, pull it out, and then just put a nut on and when I try to replace it on the truck, put a nut on the end of it and call it good. Don't mind me, I'm just checking things out. This is my old Expedition, so I could probably rob parts off of this and put on the Pete, because that's all that's missing right now is this end piece here, and I might grab this one here just to save it. So I got a spare one. I don't know if I could take it off the other end or not, but we're gonna see. Get right back to you. Those things are heavy. We don't have the struts there to hold it up. Oh, I forgot to grab one. Grab a couple pliers and I'm gonna twist the ends off. I gotta give credit where credit is due. Jeff, thank you. It's not hooked up yet, but you can see that's all I needed. Now, you'll watch, this might drop down a little bit. You'll see the bag roll under. But I'm gonna try to get it to stop leaking right now. I'm gonna have to take this down to the pellet store. What I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna lift the cab up, block it, drop the suspension again. I have to pull at least this airbag out to drill that out, to put this part in right here. That's what's missing. That's the only part, that and the plastic cap, which is right here. I pulled off the hydraulic shocks off my old Expedition. Ford parts on a Peterbilt, who knew? They're probably mostly universal parts. Oh, that's inflating. I don't want that to inflate. Need to get that to deflate. I don't want that little guy in the dash again. So, again, thank you, Jeff. I'm just waiting on the text to say, be here in the morning.
Text message.
Like my notification sound. If you're kind of wondering what I was talking about, the hydraulic assist shocks for the lift gate on my Expedition, I just took the ends off of that, and then I took the other pieces off the vehicle, so I have spares now. Well, I got the checking account opened up, a new account. They gave me a coffee cup. How do they know I like coffee? I don't know. But with that done, let's get this down to the shop and get the air ride for the cab fixed. It's back. But not for long. We're gonna take care of it right now. All right, I got the body propped up. I've been in such rush trying to get things done. All right, see, I can undo the airline there. This, I did manage to luck out. I did not break it, taking it off. So I gotta pull this airbag out because I gotta drill out that. I got the body propped up as well, blocked up. So once I get this loose, I gotta take this fitting out of the bottom, pull this down, and pop the airbag out. All right, now that I got the airbag, and now that I got the airbag removed, I got access to there. Yep. And I'm still trying to find the part number. I can get it back here. Work with me. For that air ride valve. Can't see one, but I do know that is a Wabco valve. Probably what I need to measure is the armature length. I think it's like 7 inches. If it is, I'll look one up aftermarket. But first, let's just get it connected and see if it works. A grinder here. I'm gonna try to grind this little nipple right here, what's left of it. Try to grind it flat, so then I can center punch it and drill it. So trying to grind it all the way down. I just want to get it smooth enough so I can drill it out. Look at these step bits here we can use to drill out, because I get a feeling that is not the same size as that out there in there. But we'll find out. Oh yeah, the airbag kind of threw me for a little bit of a loop here. I thought the airbag set in and just kind of snapped in it. It had a little snap on the bottom. Nah, she's threaded with an 1 1/8. Yeah, 1 1/8 plastic nut. Fun. Show you what I did. I drilled it out and just knocked in the outer flange of it, basically. Took a punch, punched it in, folded it in. That hole's a lot bigger than I figured it would be. So this right here, actually grab one right here on the floor. Right, nope, come here, right there. This hole is actually plenty large enough. If not, it's kind of a little too large. But I will get it in there. I'll get it tightened up. I got the wrenches here, so I'll just snug it up good and tight. I won't say it. I had a comment my father always used to say. But anyways, we'll continue on. Now that is in place. I put the airbag in, connect the lines. And here's the airbag. Clear everything off that. I don't need no metal shavings or anything like that. Cutting the airbag. You collapse it, put it in. All right. Here's that plastic nut that goes on the bottom. Kind of caught me off guard. I wasn't expecting that. A little bolt for the top of this. Holds it in place. Come on, get in there. Don't cross thread. You're only plastic. I don't need you to cross thread and cause me any more headaches. What I'm going to wind up doing is I'm going to fill, before I can connect this to that, I'm going to fill it up so it lifts the cab off the blocks. I think I got, probably got to start the truck and let it warm, let it build air pressure, because I drained a lot of it out to do this. So there, get this tightened up. Same ones we have on the trailer that gave me all those all that trouble. One of these. Am I putting the wrong? Yeah, wrong end. It's amazing what happens when you put the right end in the hole. That's what she said. This style fitting gave me such a headache on the trailer, it wasn't even funny. Yeah, it looks like I gotta turn it just a little bit more. Something like that. Gotta get this back into that hole. One thing about these things, they do not like to cooperate if they don't want to. Should be 9/16? No. Yeah, it should be 9/16. Is it going on already? I was expecting to struggle with it. My 9/16 seems a little too. Go grab a 5/8. That is too loose for a 5/8. It's gonna be 9/16. Just very little tolerance, that's all. At least with I can get it caught up, brought up to the point where I can have to use 9/16 to snug it. Don't want to crank on it and bust that, because I don't have any that size here. See what I'm talking about? It does not want to go on that one. If I turn it that way, it will. Okay, that's good. I'm going to start the truck up and build up the air pressure. Alright, now I got the blocks out, let's connect it and you'll watch the okay, now I got the retainer. See this little retainer clip? I had to pull this off, put it back on, and then snap it on. Watch the bag drop. It's actually getting pretty close to where it's supposed to be right now. You watch that, I'm going to put tools away. Yeah, it's slowly bleeding it down. But you get the gist of it. I gotta get the body up in the air, pull the blocking out, and then we're gonna go down and get some more paperwork filled out. There's one thing they're missing for me to fill out for me to haul, to start hauling, so we'll go take care of that. And as I said, get my empty weight put into the computer, so if I ever haul for myself down there, I can I don't have to weigh in every time. I can just go out back, get what I need, get loaded, and then weigh on my way out. So it saves time. Gap on the hood looks pretty uniform now. It's not jamming up anywhere. Well, that's good. All right. I think. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to replace that air ride valve, that height valve, because it's still leaking. Shouldn't be leaking. Let's get out of here. Let's go get an empty weight. Get the go down there, get the truck into the computer. Get my account set up again. They might still have it, but get the truck in the computer and we go from there. That way, if I haul for myself, I can go in, just grab what I need, then weigh out. My empty weight's already in the system. I got about 3/4 of a tank of fuel. Top them off. So as I said, I got full empty weight. That's after I go out back too, and I gotta wash the truck out, wash the inside of the body down. Oh, I gotta grab a hard hat. Hey, guess what? He's not in the dash anymore. Not in the dash. I gave him the eviction. And the ride does seem to be a little bit better too, now that I got air ride in the cab, the seat, and the suspension. Alright, we just got done. I had to wash out the dump body. I had to button all that stuff up by the headboard. I got my empty weight. I'm a little bit heavier than the last time. Of course, I am full of fuel now. Empty weight on this truck is 26,740 pounds. So that's pretty light for this trip, for what we're going to do. Just still waiting on the word. But first thing I got to do is I forgot. Why I forgot, I don't know. But I need to go down, go up here to the road, up the road here a little ways, and I gotta get a hard hat. Need a brain bucket. Well, I got my hard hat, not the one I wanted, but I got one. Carbon fiber look on it. So yeah, we're all good to go now. Put that down here in between the seats. I still gotta do a bunch of cleaning on this too. Clean everything out of the truck, get everything ready to go. Anyways, I just figured I'd let everybody know. Yep, I have got the word. We start tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna be busy by the sounds of it, and we will be paving tomorrow. I've already been told that. So now I gotta get a little spray bottle so I can keep the back of the truck cleaned off. Of course, they do not want you using diesel or any type of citrus asphalt remover, because they say it ruins the mat. So we're gonna have some fun tomorrow. So please like, share, subscribe, comment, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one.